Good morning, my dear students. Mamangi, we English lesson number 14, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru gi tako ho madunga lemoba sarusing asi nesi ko bidang yengasi third paragraph ke ko mamanga naine ki bada kunya khangi bada Jawaharlal Nehru India gi first prime minister ni aduga maki mapagi maming Motilal Nehru to mark 1889 pokiba 14 November aduga magi mapung misna kuna sehi pulingi 14 November da Children Day haina palan do wa to khangre to magi schooling gi magi college gi matang da pe nai nakre sina makadar basna mahangna India gi freedom movement da India gi nikha tambagi adumba lan phamdu da saru ya gi matang he returned to India in 1912. Jawaharlal Nehru sina mahangna England da magi mahi masing tambal war madung sida 1912 da mag India da halaki. He joined the Indian freedom movement under the leadership of Mahatma Gandhi. Aduga mahak se Mahatma Gandhi ki lusing makada Mahatma Gandhi ki lusing makada to ke badumba India ki maning makha tambagi ihau se lan sida mahak yaw ki da Indian freedom movement or British na atam sang na India da run torami aduna mahanga 1912 da India da halaba matung sagidi mahanga nomba India ki freedom movement se sigi mapungoi na Mahatma Gandhi na lusingbu oi maki lusing makasida satram balumba India gi ningtam ihogse sida mahak yawrami. Indian people did not like the British rule and they rose against it. Duga Indian people India gi miyam se masina British ki sasan se makoy lebang ngapu se masi pamnamde duga makoyna masigi mayok sida horami horami. The British government tried to suppress the freedom movement. Do masagi British government sina mo kogi tumaning da bihog se masibu nam thanaba honorami India gi miyam sina makogi mayok da horiba dumba ningta bihog se masi nam thanaba British na honorami. Many Indian leaders were put in jails. India gi lusingba mayam ama kaisum sangda thamlan. Next paragraph. Jawaharlal Nehru was sent to jail 9 times. Jawaharlal Nehru, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru se kaisum sangda 9 times. Mapalak se kaisum sangda thajilan tharami. He spent about 10 years in different prisons. Mahanga tungan ba kaisum sangse mahak sehi taramak se mahak lelame kaisum sang tungan ba kaisum sang mahak thamlami aduga mahanga kaisum sang len thiba masagi matam se masidi 10 years sehi taramak se mahak lelame. He kept himself busy when in prison aduga mahak masa sida kaisum sang da lengegi matam se mas mathok yam sinanjo masana masagi mathok se sinanje abi tungan ba thabok singse mana kaisum sanga laingida mahna pangtui ko aiba thabok singsi tuna sarwangna ai matada magi mana kaisum sanga laingida lai kayam rom irami aduga kaisum sanga laiba matamda kaisum sangi yang fajadaba mo matok sing adu mana singdona bo na ba sine singba thabok singsi ko mana sidanjai ba thabok se makata bada but freedom movement could not be stopped. Ko adu mo namak nasagi freedom movement se masibudi leban bangamamde nasagi British na nasagi India ki freedom movement se masibu namtana bohona buta basu masidi dingtam yog se masi leban base masidi ngamamde. India won her freedom at midnight of 15 August 1947. Aduga India se masna mahaki mani makha tamse 1947 ki 15 August ki ahing nongyai se sida phanglame midnight sida ahing nungzai se 15 August ki midnight sida India si ningkha tamuk phange wadi British na run torom se British na lebang agam se masi losin tre. He became the first Prime Minister of India. Ningkha tamuk matung dagi India se ningkha tamuk lebang agam kore masana lebang agsabo lebang agam kore badida masi ki ahanba Prime Minister se mahang no kore mi magai badi Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru mahang no kore. British rule of over 150 years was over and the British na sahi samaga yangkai sigi mathakta lebang ngagam base masima losing trend. Next paragraph. For him the world was his stage. For him the world was his stage. Mahaki wenadi abri Jawaharlal Nehru se mahaki wenadi koigi malem se mahaki phambak ni station ko station ko na isi de dogoro lila dogoro station to wi abri magi thabok to phom se Mahatma Gandhi thabok to wi se masi India ki prime minister orega India khaki to wi na malem apum se masi ki thabok to wi ko umangna malem si ko mahaki di magi phambak we le magi station re me. He wanted friendship with all countries. Adu mahang na pala. Friendship or mapang we base. Ay lebak puding maka country puding maka maru mapang we base. Masima Jawaharlal Nehru na pangami. He was a great lover of peace and progress. Na mahak se adumba ingna single labor aduga sokhat pa masibu yam sauna nungsijaba mi amame mangna ko masi great lover na yam sauna masi nungsijai mangna pamjariba nungsijari society peace and progress sabdi ingna single labor aduga sokhat pa si mangna pamjarami. He was the voice of India in the world. Mahangna malem sida India gi kholau je mahangna thangalame mahang puthurami India ki matabul lai India ki fiu moro awa ba yoro lumba sokot to yodabagi sumba voice kholau content mayam je si mahangna malem mahangna pukhalami. He tried to remove tears from the eyes of millions of people. Aduga mahangna India gi yaba masing million kaya gi million kaya gi mamitagi pije masi thaithong na mahangna onaki habli madamudi India si British na matam sangna lebanga kiba India gi lan dum mayam British na wala puro ga sakiba sida yam wa ba dariwa awa ba mayam je si mayam dum mayong na ribni haiba awa ba mayam je masi mioi million kaya dagi Jawaharlal Nehru na lopong na onaki. He worked hard to get women educated and free. So mahangat yam kanna honaki ko mak yam kanna honaki kay daw ka nupi singje nupi oibi singsibo mahi masing tamnawa aduga makoi maning makha tamnawa mahanga yam kanna honaki. Jawaharlal was a man of many parts. Jawaharlal Nehru je no san kaya yawraba no mi amorame mas tongan ba tabag sing do ba tongan ba sing pai ba adumba mi amse ma orame. He enjoyed games, the theater and music. Mahangana game sana khona ba masi di hiram da sumha yawrame aduga theater alwi dharma gumba lila gumba simbi thobak se sumha yawi aduga music ising nungmai thabak se si sumha enjoy to ba ma yam pamjana sarbiya ba dumba mi morami. He was very fond of children aduga mahangana angang singje si ma yam na pamje angang luna sa to ba angang sing yawa ba khanbi ba aduga angang sing se ma yam na pame ba. As a mark of love for children, his birthday is observed as Children's Day in the country. Aduga mahanga angang sing bunung si jaba masigi khutama moina mahaki mapung no mise ko gi leibak sida angang sing gi numit haina palang toy Children's Day haina chahi khudingi November ki 14 jan masi maki mapung numini do maki mapung numi se koina Children's Day haina ko le bachda palan to. He died on May 27, 1964 at the age of 74. Aduga Jawaharlal Nehru jan masagi chahi amudra mari surapado 74 years old matamda 1964 jan masigi May gi 27 da CK. The nation received a deep shock aduga wagi zati se lebak asna yamna thamoi sokpo se phanglame omak CK bisida. Nehru is no more, but he is in the heart of millions. Sina Nehru se is no more. Mahak laifre, mahak sikre. Adubana mahak se mioi million kaya gi thamu yudi mahak asum laive. Then there ends your lesson. For matang san hogi parasi lore. Okay, let me stop here.